So I have a pretty simple morning. I wake up every day at like 6:30, get up, go brush my teeth, mouthwash, maybe grab a little bite to eat, mouthwash again, then go put my clothes on and come to this great place we call school.
I wake kids up in a different way than I used to wake them up. I used to set the alarm for 6:30, wake up, start knocking on the door, saying, "Get up, get up." I knew they wouldn't get up, so then I'd go make lunch. Then after I make lunch for 15 minutes, I go back and say, "Get up, get up." Then they don't get up. Then I knock on their doors again, another 15 more minutes. Then I start to get angry because they're not getting up. Then
Alright, so when I wake up, I brush my teeth, put my clothes on, then I leave, then I get here, which is like a 40-minute drive, and then I go to school.
Hey, did you come this morning? Yeah.